This is the final video to fix the problem where Microsoft Windows App Runtime shows there's a problem with Dynamic Dependency Lifetime Manager. If you're seeing this error while opening apps or installing updates, do not worry. This issue usually happens when the Windows App Runtime is corrupted, missing important components, or conflicting with existing system files. Sometimes outdated apps, incomplete updates, or corrupted cache also trigger this error. In this video, I will show you every possible way to fix this problem step by step. You'll learn how to repair or reinstall the Windows App Runtime, check for corrupted system files, reset app settings, and update Windows to remove conflicts. I will also guide you on using PowerShell commands safely to fix runtime issues that block your apps. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, the Dynamic Dependency Lifetime Manager error will be gone, and your apps will run smoothly again. Stay with me till the end so you do not miss the exact fix that works for your Windows system.